में से बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो गंगा स्नान कराए होंगे, उन्होंने तस्वीर भी नहीं डाली होगी, कहीं भी ना आपको बताया होगा।
कुंभ क्षेत्र में विधानमंडल दल की नकल करने वाले भाजपा के लोग कभी अपनी नीयत नहीं सही कर सकते। कांग्रेस सरकार में 8 जनवरी 1988 को कुंभ क्षेत्र में पहली विधानमंडल की बैठक हुई थी।
अखिलेश यादव जी को मानसिक और दृष्टि दोनों दोष हो गया है, रोग हो गया है। उसका अच्छे से इलाज कराए। कुंभ के समय ऐसी बयान देना, यहाँ राजनीति करना बहुत गंदी बात है।
Namaskar, good evening. You're watching Breaking Ground and I am Swati Joshi. Now, in a big message to the Sanatan Beaters, CM Yogi today with his entire cabinet took a holy dip at the Triveni Sangam after holding a special cabinet meet in the city on the first anniversary of the consecration of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. The focus of the Yogi government was clearly on Vikas with Virasat. The UP cabinet in a big infra push approved new medical colleges and industrial training centers in Prayagraj. They also gave it a nod to connect Ganga Expressway with the Purvanchal Expressway amid other decisions. Now, this move seems to have rattled the opposition, with Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav accusing BJP of playing politics over Kumbh by holding a cabinet meet there, and also said that Kumbh is about devotion and that some take the holy dip but don't publicize it, that there's no photo of. But let's remind Akhilesh Yadav and all those who today are questioning the holy dip of Yogi Adityanath. Akhilesh Yadav especially seems to have forgotten his own social media posts of him taking a holy dip in the Ganga. Be it the one in Haridwar on the occasion of Makar Sankrant this year, or the 2019 post on his dip at the Ardh Kumbh. Congress party, on the other hand, has fired the copycat jibe at the Bharatiya Janata Party, claiming that it in fact was the grand old party that first held a legislative party meeting in Mahakumbh in the year 1988. And BJP is only copying the Congress's brand of politics. Top ministers of the UP Sarkar are lashing out at the opposition, accusing Samajwadi Party and Congress of slandering Astha for appeasement. The Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Keshav Prasad Maurya, has also accused Akhilesh of losing his mental balance. Now, let's take you through the top 5 questions, the big question that we're asking at the top of the 5 p.m. bulletin. Before we start our debate, who's playing politics on Astha? Barbs being exchanged by both sides. Who's politicizing this is the big question. Is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh being targeted by the opposition for his faith, for his Astha? Yogi's holy dip is a photo op according to the opposition. But what about their snan? Their snan devout, but Yogi's dip only publicity stunt? Opposition rattled by the success of Mahakumbh. That is the allegation leveled by the BJP. INDI, is it mocking Astha for appeasement as is being alleged by the Bharatiya Janata Party? Let's take these questions across to our guests. Let's open up the debate. We have Mukesh Tyagi, spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, joining us. We have senior journalist R. Rajagopalan on the broadcast. MD Governance Now, Kailash Adhikari is joining us. Pooja Mishra, Samajwadi Party national spokesperson. We also have Khaliqur Rahman, and he's a political analyst with us. Thank you very much for joining us. Let me first go across to Pooja Mishra. Pooja Mishra, BJP says Akhilesh Yadav and his party men, along with the Congress, are all rattled today because of the success of Mahakumbh. And when they see no other reason to target the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, they are today questioning his faith. What is wrong in the CM and his cabinet taking a holy dip?
There is nothing wrong in cabinet और सीएम जो है वो स्नान कर रहे हैं और माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी तो संगम में लगातार कंटिन्यूअसली आ रहे हैं, इसमें कोई गलत बात नहीं है। पर परेशानी ये है ना कि उनके आने से जो डिस्टर्बेंस क्रिएट हो रही है, उनको कैबिनेट मीटिंग यहाँ करने की जरूरत नहीं थी। वो सब आते, अभी 29 को मौनी अमावस्या होनी है और यहाँ का जो ट्रैफिक हो रखा है वो ड्रास्टिक हो रखा हुआ है। आपको जो है चलने के लिए जो आम जनता है, जो कल्पवासीज हैं, जो श्रद्धालु हैं, वो 10-10 किलोमीटर 15-15 किलोमीटर तक पैदल चल रहे हैं और आप यहाँ पे कैबिनेट मीटिंग कर रहे हैं। मुझे लगता है कि जो है महाकुंभ में कैबिनेट मीटिंग करने की आवश्यकता नहीं थी। जिनको भी स्नान करना था वो आते, एक दर्शन।
एक बात बताइए, आप लोगों को वाकई में दिक्कत किस बात से? वहां कैबिनेट मीटिंग हो रही है इस बात से है, या कैबिनेट मीटिंग में क्या फैसले लिए जा रहे हैं इस बात से दिक्कत है, या सफल आयोजन हो रहा है महाकुंभ का, उसकी सक्सेस को देख करके समाजवादी पार्टी हिल गई है? दिक्कत असली क्या है? क्योंकि कोई आपके पार्टी के नेता कहते हैं कि हमें तो जॉब्स चाहिए, अपॉर्चुनिटीज चाहिए, हमें ये डुबकी नहीं चाहिए। आप कह रहे हैं कि कैबिनेट मीटिंग वहां की क्यों? कैबिनेट मीटिंग में क्या फैसले लिए गए इस पर किसी का ध्यान नहीं है।
वो तो कैबिनेट मीटिंग लखनऊ में भी करके लिए जा सकते थे ना। ऐसा तो नहीं है कि लखनऊ में करते तो ये फैसले नहीं लिए जा सकते थे। ऑब्वियसली कि आपको जो है रिलीजन को पॉलिटिक्स में इन्वॉल्व करना है, आपको पॉलिटिक्स और रिलीजन को मिक्स करना है, नहीं मिक्स किया जाता है। ये आस्था का विषय है। आप आते स्नान करते चले जाते, यहाँ पे कैबिनेट मीटिंग चल रही है।
एक मिनट, नहीं पूजा मिश्रा, एक मिनट, अगर नेगेटिव पॉलिटिक्स हो रही हो, अगर नेगेटिव पॉलिटिक्स हो रही हो महाकुंभ जैसी जगह पर, पवित्र स्थान पर, तब उस पर कोई उंगली उठाए तो समझ में भी आता है। वहां कैबिनेट मीटिंग करके प्रयागराज के डेवलपमेंट के लिए, उत्तर प्रदेश के डेवलपमेंट के लिए अगर फैसले लिए जा रहे हैं, and if the cabinet ministers along with the chief minister they see this as an opportunity to also take a holy dip during the Mahakumbh, तो उससे समाजवादी पार्टी को क्या दिक्कत है?
नहीं, समाजवादी पार्टी को दिक्कत ये है क्योंकि जो वहां पे कॉमन लोग हैं उनको परेशानी हो रही है ना। आपको पता है कि होली डिप जब यहाँ पे आप लेने के लिए आते हो, कह रहे हो कि 29 को मौनी अमावस्या होनी है और उसके बाद में जो स्नानार्थी है उनको पैदल चलना होता है, पूरा का
Okay, so now you're saying that public inconvenience is what Samajwadi Party is highlighting. So constant change in the goalpost. Let me go across to Mr. Mukesh. Mr. Mukesh, Samajwadi Party is now saying कि आप लोग वहां पर क्यों कैबिनेट की मीटिंग कर रहे हैं? आप लोग लीजिए, स्नान कीजिए, डुबकी लीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं समाजवादी पार्टी को, लेकिन यू आर कॉजिंग इनकन्वीनियंस टू द पीपल एट महाकुंभ.
No, I think Samajwadi is addicted to make criticism against anything which you do good in this country. They have taken a vow that they will ridicule Mr. Yogi Adityanath. I mean, you have seen consistently how Akhilesh Yadav is talking. It's uneconomical. It's a loss-making proposition. Does Samajwadi know? They say that they are making corruption out of it. That's the commitment he has been making. 2 lakh crore is going to be the economy which will enhance and augment 1% of the GDP of Uttar Pradesh. They are saying, कुछ लोग ऐसे भी बोल रहे हैं कि जो वहां पे जाता है अपने पाप धोने के लिए, पापी लोग ही वहां जाते हैं. मतलब इस प्रकार के कमेंट्स दे रहे हैं ये लोग, असभ्य कमेंट्स दे रहे हैं. अरे इतना बड़ा स्पिरिचुअल कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रहा है. It's a conference of spirituality. It's a conference of divinity and number of things. Look at the entire anthropological system which is going to create.
Okay.
These guys are picking. 1 second, let me finish on the cabinet thing. Cabinet, why not Yogi Adityanath can hold cabinet? What is wrong with that? They are taking developmental decisions and they moved away. As a matter of fact, it was not right on the mainstream. They have moved away. They have ensured that it does not obstruct the smooth flow of the Ganges pilgrimage.
Okay.
So they have taken all
You're
precautions.
saying public
So
convenience was taken into consideration. The real reason is the success of Mahakumbh, which has rattled the opposition. I want to go across to Khalikur Rahman. Today, I believe Khalikur Rahman will agree with the Bharatiya Janata Party because Khalikur Rahman, the Congress party, is reminding BJP that, we did it first. We did it in the 80s. You're just copying our move.
Yeah, in fact, because, see, I don't find anything wrong having a cabinet meeting there and taking a holy dip, in fact, because it is a sacred ritual, which, everyone has got a right and to go there and take it. But see, what happened is because way back in 1988, the things were different because, we didn't have so many people over there, so it didn't cause that kind of the inconvenience to the people there. But today, after almost about 38 years, if the cabinet meeting is being done, conducted there, or convened there, the entire cabinet is moving from Lucknow to
No, but it was okay in 1988 and not okay in 2025.
No, I'm not saying it. I'm not
Okay.
saying it is not okay.
Okay.
But it is just only, causing a lot of inconvenience to the people because way back in 1988.
But Mr.
we
Tyagi
never
just
used
said that they shifted the venue. They took
Yeah.
people's convenience into consideration, and also,
Yeah.
times have changed from 1988 to 2025. The UP
Yes.
government claims there are better arrangements made for the people who are attending Mahakumbh. So what really is the problem of the opposition? Because first there was an entire debate and criticism of the government on the number of people who have taken the holy dip. How many people are participating? Then some said that, we need jobs, we don't need dubki. But Mr. Rajagopalan, the government is saying this is going to contribute in a big way in Indian economy and also going to help with Uttar Pradesh's GDP. So what is the real reason? Is it Sanatan? Is it appeasement? Is it Yogi Adityanath, wearing his belief and his faith on his sleeves? What really is irking the opposition?
It is anti-Hinduism, simple as that. You connected lot of dots, but my understanding is that all Congress, India Alliance, and also Samajwadi Party, they want to appease one particular section of the community, and therefore whatever Hindu does, it's against to them. Second, N.T. Ramarao, as a chief minister, he used to hold cabinet meetings in Tirupati and other places. So therefore, it's not first time. Second thing, from 2014 onwards, Swati, I have been covering Government of India, bureaucracy, etc., Prime Minister office as a correspondent. It is Narendra Modi who shifted. Even foreigners who are coming, Xi Jinping, who came from China, he went to Mahabalipuram in Chennai. Similarly, others are coming. Regional development, regional aspirations, and cooperative federalism, competitive federalism. These are all important. That is what Mr. Yogi Adityanath is doing, holding the cabinet meeting in Prayagraj. Second thing, one district, one product. The very famous slogan of Bharatiya Janata Party, every district has got speciality and security, like Aligarh Tala, like Banaras Sari. So it is also marketed. So therefore, Mr. Narendra Modi's policy has been copied by Mr. Yogi Adityanath. That is why he held the cabinet meeting. And opposition parties are anti-Hindu. That's what I would like to say.
Pooja Mishra, please respond to that. क्योंकि Pooja Mishra, आपकी पार्टी के लोग कह रहे हैं हमें नौकरी चाहिए, हमें डुबकी नहीं चाहिए. वहां जितने फॉरेन टूरिस्ट आ रहे हैं, जितने लोकल भारतीय लोग वहां पर जा रहे हैं, होटल इंडस्ट्री इससे बेनिफिट कर रही है, जो ट्रैवल सेक्टर है वो उससे बेनिफिट कर रहा है, जो वहां छोटे बड़े वेंडर्स हैं वो इस बात से बेनिफिट कर रहे हैं. तो लोगों को जब फायदा हो रहा है तो समाजवादी पार्टी को ये अखर क्यों रहा है? दैट्स व्हाट द भारतीय जनता पार्टी सेज.
स्वाति जी, देखिए वहां पे जो है, अभी आपने कहा ना कि परेशानी क्यों हो रही है समाजवादी पार्टी को. जो दिख रहा है ना, जो सोशल मीडिया में दिख रहा है वो रियलिटी नहीं है. अभी इनको देखना चाहिए था कि वहां पे एक महंत जो है किस गंदी भाषा का प्रयोग करते हैं श्रद्धेय नेताजी के लिए. वहां पे इनको देखना चाहिए था कि आग लग गई थी, दूसरे दिन आग लगी, फिर तीसरे दिन भी आग लगी. वो मीडिया में नहीं आ पा रहा है.
मीडिया में क्यों नहीं आ रहा है मैम? जगह जगह वो तस्वीरें देखी है कि वहां पर क्या हुआ, वो जगह जगह देखी जा रही है. लेकिन आप एक चीज पर फोकस कर रही हैं और दूसरे एस्पेक्ट को दबा रहे हैं. पूजा, हाँ बोलिए प्लीज.
अब मैं यहाँ का फैक्ट बता रही हूँ. कल रात को यहाँ पे एक्सीडेंट हो गया. ट्रकें जो है खुद को लाइन लगा के रखे रहती. 8 किलोमीटर चलने के लिए आपको जो है लगभग 3 से 4 घंटे लग जाते हैं. ये सारे मैनेजमेंट करने के बजाय आप पीपा के पुल लगातार बंद करके मरम्मत करते रहते हो. आप चाहो तो मैं आपके चैनल को सारे वीडियोस भेज देती हूँ. ये फैक्ट्स है. आप उन पे वर्क ना करके आप वहाँ पे कैबिनेट मीटिंग करो, पॉलिटिसाइजिंग कर रहे हो, आप वहाँ पे और हिंड्रेंस क्रिएट कर रहे हो. आपको भी देखना चाहिए कि 29
एक मिनट मुझे बताइए, पॉलिटिसाइज करने और पब्लिसिटी स्टंट करने के जो आरोप आपकी पार्टी लगा रही है, आपने अखिलेश यादव जी का पोस्ट देखा है जो मकर संक्रांत के दिन उन्होंने भी स्नान किया हरिद्वार में. सही, हरिद्वार में मकर संक्रांत पर उन्होंने स्नान किया. 2019 में अर्धकुंभ में जब उन्होंने डुबकी लगाई थी उसका फोटो उन्होंने शेयर किया था. तो वो फोटो आप नहीं है, वो फोटो आप नहीं है. और उसके बाद आज अखिलेश यादव ये भी कह रहे हैं कि हम में से कई लोगों ने स्नान किया लेकिन हम उसका पब्लिसिटी नहीं करते हैं उसकी फोटो डाल करके. तो जो 2019 में किया वो क्या था?
ऑब्वियसली जो है अगर ये फोटो डाल करके वीडियो कर रहे हैं, मैं कह रही हूँ कि आप सीएम हो एंड यू आर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग दिस महाकुंभ.
तो आप सीएम हो तो आप डुबकी नहीं लगा सकते?
नहीं, लगा सकते हो, बट यू कांट क्रिएट इनकन्वीनियंस, यू कांट यू पॉलिटिसाइज इट. आपकी रिस्पांसिबिलिटी है कि जो आस्था का विषय वो पूरी तरीके से हो सके.
ओके, नहीं, एक सेकंड. मुकेश त्यागी पहले ही इसका जवाब दे चुके हैं कि जहां इनकन्वीनियंस होने वाली थी उसको मद्देनजर रखते हुए वेन्यू चेंज किया गया. वी हैव कैलाश अधिकारी also wants to come in. Go ahead.
Swati, to rebut what the SP spokesperson just said and what Mr. Mukesh Tyagi said, in order to see to it that no inconvenience is called to the pilgrimage, पहले जो venue था cabinet meeting का, which was Mela Authority Auditorium, that was shifted to Triveni Sankul so that inconvenience is not caused. So, this is a rebuttal to the fact that please keep your facts clear. Secondly, I'd like to echo with Mr. Rajgopalan what he said. The opposition in its bid, whether it's the India Alliance members or individually Samajwadi Party or Congress Party, in their bid to somehow go against the anti-majority feeling, in their bid to somehow appease a certain section of the population for their own peculiar vote bank politics or for their own benefit, they are trying to gauge and trying to take advantage of any small trivial not so important matter and trying to make a mountain of a molehill. Politically, one must understand, the UP government has put in all its good efforts in organizing such a mammoth event such as the Mahakumbh, where not only Astha dwells, but a lot of other factors come into play, which leads to development, which leads to economic development. And in today's cabinet meeting also, Honorable Chief Minister piloted certain infrastructure projects connecting various cities of Uttar Pradesh so that a highway also gets to the site where the Mahakumbh is there. There no one is focusing. Everyone, India Alliance is focusing on the fact that इन्होंने स्नान क्यों किया और क्यों नहीं किया.
Astha and Vikas can go hand in hand. That's what the Yogi government today is trying to say, through not just this holy dip, but also the decisions that have been taken during the cabinet meet. But Kailash Adhikari says, Mr. Khaliqur Rahman respond to that the opposition is only looking for an opportunity to criticize because the real reason behind it is appeasement.
No, absolutely not. I beg to differ with him, in fact, because it's not that. See, we are here playing a very constructive role as an opposition. And if the ruling government does anything good, we are all here to cooperate, we are all here to support. But it is very wrong to say that because whatever the ruling government does, it is just, the opposition trying to play the politics of the appeasement. It is not so. Because if the ruling party or the BJP is, leveling that kind of accusation against the opposition, then what I say that what BJP is doing isn't it not,
No, you're saying we are here to support. We are here to support. We are not here to. We are not here to just play appeasement politics. How many statements have been, in favor of the Mahakumbh? Let's not, forget the BJP for a moment. How many positive statements have been given by the opposition leaders about the Mahakumbh, being organized at such a grand scale?
No, see, because as for the Mahakumbh, it is definitely the responsibility and the duty of the government. And the government has to ensure. But in spite of that, there have been definitely few untoward incidents which had happened.
Untoward incidents have happened. Untoward incidents have happened. Nobody is denying that. Nobody is denying that untoward incidents have not happened.
And it is not that. It is happening only, in the present government. This thing, in whichever government, was there.
So you don't agree with the Samajwadi Party. So you do not agree with the Samajwadi Party. Nothing wrong in taking this dubki. Nothing wrong in taking the dubki.
There is the absolute. It's a sacred duty. Even if the chief minister is taking the dip, there is nothing wrong in it. But we should not try to politicize.
Who's politicizing, sir? But who's politicizing?
No, that's what Samajwadi Party spokesperson said. But see, what happens is because as for the Kumbh is...
No, you're not answering my direct question. Who's politicizing?
I'm asking this actually because as for the Kumbh Mela is concerned, this is a purely religious event.
Absolutely. But who's politicizing? See, you're saying nothing wrong in taking the dubki. You're saying nothing wrong in holding the special cabinet there. Then who's politicizing is my very simple question.
No. All those announcements and all could have been made after coming back to Lucknow. Why was the need?
But the special cabinet was held there. So what's wrong in announcing the decision that has been taken in the cabinet?
No, I'm not saying that there is anything wrong in having the cabinet meeting there. But what was the again? I know that you will compare it with the 1988 cabinet meeting.
No, I'm not comparing. It's only logical to ask that if you are holding a special cabinet there, what's wrong in making the announcements right after the cabinet? Mukesh Tyagi, there's now a problem with the announcement. आप लखनऊ आकर के announcement कर देते, वहाँ क्या जरूरत थी announcement करने की?
No, I think these people are making an absolutely preposterous, absolutely senseless, nonsensical argument. They have no basis. It's a very flimsy and on the contrary, tell me one opposition leader, tell me one opposition leader which has supported Mr. Yogi Adityanath, this mammoth exercise, crores and crores of pilgrims. It is causing unity. He's talking only about the unity. Any single statement you show me, Akhilesh Yadav has admired this such a huge. Look at in contrast, what he did in 2013, the Prime Minister of Mauritius came and he returned back without taking a holy dip. He said it's such a filthy and bad management. Azam Khan was made in charge of the Ganga, and what happened? The stampede, 36 to 45 people died on the railway station. I mean, look at the kind of management. And Ram Gopal Verma, when it was a consecration of Ram Pratishtha happened, he said, this is absolutely useless. It is not done Vastu compliant.
Pooja Mishra respond. Pooja Mishra, quick rebuttal.
I mean, they should support. On the contrary, they are only
they should
criticizing.
support. अगर हम सपोर्ट ही कर रहे हैं, आप वहाँ पे अभी भी रोड कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है. Do you know that? Still the road is under construction. You haven't completed. The Maunya Mosya is so near, and you are not ready for that. Taking a holiday is fine, but taking responsibility is more important, more significant. I can give you the videos. I can give you the proof that still the road construction is ongoing. You are not ready for the Maunya Mosya. Come on, still the Maunya Mosya.
जो वहां पर अब तक इतने सारे लोग आए इंक्लूडिंग फॉरेन टूरिस्ट जो अपना एक्सपीरियंस बता रहे हैं कि उनके लिए कितना भव्य और दिव्य एक्सपीरियंस रहा, कितना सुखद एक्सपीरियंस रहा, वो सारे लोग झूठ बोल रहे हैं. Is there only and only inconvenience? Is there only and only inconvenience? And are people only getting a bad experience after going to Mahakumbh?
खाली बोलने.
Haven't you seen the ladies who were discussing that यहाँ पे इंतजाम नहीं है? आपने उनको नहीं देखा है?
मैंने उनको भी सुना है, मैंने उनको भी सुना है, मैंने उन लोगों को भी सुना है, लेकिन जो तारीफ कर रहे हैं कह रहे हैं कि व्यवस्था अच्छी है. लेकिन अगर आप एक ही चीज पर फोकस करेंगे तो दूसरी साइड के बारे में आपको रिमाइंडर देना पड़ेगा. अगर इनकन्वीनियंस है तो सरकार को सुनना चाहिए. जो आप कह रही हैं पूजा मिश्रा, माय पॉइंट इज अगर इनकन्वीनियंस हो रही है लोगों को तो उस पर ध्यान सरकार को देना चाहिए कि लोगों को सुनिए और जहां व्यवस्था की जरूरत है वहां करिए. लेकिन आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही बात को दिखाएंगी और एक ही बात पर अगर आप सरकार को घेर रही हैं, then what about all those people who went to Mahakumbh had a very divine experience and they were happy with the kind of arrangements that were made? What about the positive feedback which is coming in?
बताइए कहाँ इनकन्वीनियंस हुई है? कोई
कैलाश अधिकारी
बताइए जरा.
So that is the problem, Swati, that we have heard so many people, and on your broadcast network especially, where it has been discussed about the fact that the millions of people who have come, and especially from other countries, and they have shared their good experience of how well it was organized, because it is not easy. It is not an easy feat to organize such a mammoth event.
Right.
But
now, Kailash, once again, as we speak, and Pooja Mishra just said there's no problem in taking a holy dip. Look at what Akhilesh Yadav is saying. We have some breaking inputs coming in. Now, while the Yogi cabinet has taken a holy dip, this is the post which has been put out by Akhilesh Yadav. Samajwadi Party only can see frivolousness. According to them, this is frivolous. Akhilesh Yadav has taken a veiled jibe, says, uphold honor of Snan, salute Triveni, respect holy dip. अब पूजा मिश्रा, अब इसमें क्या गलत हो गया?
पूजा मिश्रा
Sorry, couldn't hear you.
कुछ बोलना ही है.
पूजा मिश्रा, can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear you.
अब स्नान में क्या गलत हो गया? अब ये फ्रिवलस कहां से हो गया?
स्नान में तो पहले भी कोई गलत नहीं कह रहा कि स्नान में गलत हो गया.
अखिलेश यादव जी का अभी लेटेस्ट पोस्ट देखिए ना आप सोशल मीडिया पर. लेटेस्ट पोस्ट देखिए सोशल मीडिया पर, स्क्रीन पर भी हम दिखा रहे हैं.
को करे प्रणाम और रखे नहान का मान.
हाँ, तो किसने मान नहीं रखा ना?
तो इसमें ये जो स्नान कर रहे हैं, दे आर नॉट टेकिंग होली डिप.
ओके,
आपको
व्हाट आर दे डूइंग?
खेल रहे हैं आप जो वीडियोस दिखा रहे हो होली डिप, आप जो उसको पब्लिसिटी कर रहे हो. अगर आप
मिस्टर राजगोपालन, आई थिंक समाजवादी पार्टी will issue 10 steps guidelines of how to take a holy snan, of a holy dip, which has been approved by them. And only in case people follow those 10 steps, then they'll get one tick mark from the Samajwadi Party saying, हाँ, ये सही स्नान आपने किया.
Swati?
Go ahead, Mr. Rajgopal.
Now, Samajwadi Party leader Mulayam Singh Yadav, Adarniya Netaji, when he was chief minister, what is the use of taking the entire cabinet and also making a lot of traffic jam for Bollywood? Saif mein kya jalsa kar rahe the? Why they are doing it? Is it right? And second thing, what is the significance of Etawah mein Saif mein kyun kar rahe itna log lekar ke? That is also one point, you know. ये क्या सिनेमा महाकुंभ क्या वो राइट है, ये रंग है. सिनेमा में करते हैं वो समाजवादी पार्टी वाह वाह करते हैं, हिंदू आस्था है उसको बदनाम करते हैं.
Okay.
Second thing, after 2014, Swati, the entire system, Mr. Narendra Modi has changed it. That is why DGP conference, commissioners conference.
So Samajwadi Party first said this is nothing but photo op, and now Akhilesh Yadav has put out another post saying maintain the dignity of the Snan. Samajwadi Party once again, and the chief in fact himself once again hitting out at Yogi Adityanath. BJP says this is nothing but appeasement politics on part of the opposition. Thank you very much, Pooja Mishra and gentlemen, for joining us.